The winners are first prize by K. Dakshita Saraswati, second prize by T. Pavashri, and third prize by K. Madana. In class for senior girls, the individual event conducted was shot put. In class 9, the winners are first prize by M. Sadavashni, second prize by N. Chandika, third prize by P. Vijayadashni. Thank you, Prabhakaran sir, for your kind gesture. May I invite our correspondent sir to honor the winners. In class 10, the winner of first prize by N. Nabirami, second prize by S. Kavya, third prize by R. Megavashni. For super senior girls, the individual event conducted was shot put. In class 11, the winners are first prize by K. Rashmi, second prize by L. Ranisha. For junior girls, the group event conducted was Coco. The winning team is from Rupal Chaudhary House and the winners are E. Manasha, S. Yubika, P. Shri Sanchana, A. Selvapon, C. Indu Damina, T. Pavashri, S. Madhuvarsha, T. Kavidahini, K. Dakshita Saraswati. V. Sweetlin Pushpa. Team event, girls team event. Event connected was volleyball. The winning team is Mirabai Chanu House. The winners are M. Tamalvani, R. Megavashni, S. Arna Shalshia, M. Hiba Magadia, M. Sadavashni, C. Kurupriya,
G. Manoshika, K. Sujitra. A. Hashni, M. Santeri, R. Dashni, S. Vashni, E. Kachola.
Girls, the group event conducted was volleyball. The winning team is from Mary Com House. The winners are L. Ranisha, M. Muhadarshni, M. Sugita, J. Sushma Saishri, R. Divya, V. Selvatilaha, S. Charupriya. Backed by Mirabai Chanu House, and the runners are P. Sedanya Satyanitini, N. Sandana, B. Priyadashni, S. Dharani, A. Jennifer, B. Pavitra, S. Arul Vijaya Rani, B. Catherine Ketsial, J. Priyasagi Ilakya. Sir, Junior. Thank you. By A. Jagan, second prize by N. Vaibhav, and third prize by S. Madan. In class 8, the winners are first prize by P. Kishore Sriram and second prize by A. Darun. For junior boys, the group event conducted was volleyball. The winning team is from Avinash Shebel House, and the winners are N. Vaibhav, A. Kavin, S. Selva Subiksh, P. Tarun, M. Sanjay, M. Vishwa Adavan, M. Praveen Muttaya, A. Harshan, and M. Sai Sriram. No. அக்கா ஏ தருண் வரலன்னா ஏ தருண் வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டான்னு சொன்னாங்க. சரி இருந்தாலும் ரீட் பண்ணுறேன். And the second place is backed by Eldhouse House and the winner and the runners are A. Darun, S. Pradiban, M. Ishaq, A. Jagan, B. Tasween, S. Madan, N. Kuberan Akash, B. Prajit and S. Genovine. Senior boys. Ma'am, house code la ma'am. House color ile. Ma'am, first boys tha na ma'am. Ma'am, ile first full boys and full girls ma'am. Group event mududha mudiyilla. Season la irukku group name oda varuma. 9th and 11th padi.
For senior boys, the individual event collector was javelin throw. In class 9, the winners are first prize by G. Sanjay Srivan, second prize by M. Devadashan, third prize by G. Manoj Nainar. For senior boys, the group event conductor was Coco. The winning team is Neera Chopra House. The winners are V. Ishan Madish, G. Manoj Nainar, M. Shakti Mugesh, B. Tivin, R. Anbu, A. Chandru, K. Kavin, N. Nageshwaran, V. Saravana Harish. The second place and the runners are L. Jiva, A. Najul Round, R. Selva, R. V. For super senior boys, the individual event conductor was javelin throw. In class 11, the winners are first prize by S. Sanjay, second prize by M. Logit Srishant, third prize by K. Prajit. Class 12, the winners are first prize by M. Shakti Balakishore, second prize by D. Kural Agilan, third prize by R. Sudarshan. super senior boys, the group event conducted was Coco. The winning team is from Neera Chopra House. The winners are S.J. Jasper Jovin Arik, M. Nishit Vishnu, S. Sanjay, M. Sivapatra Pavis, M. Varun, V. Abhyut Raja, S. Pavitran, R. Prem Kumar, S. Sri Vignesh.
I request Jay Surya to assemble here for prize distribution.
Second place is bagged by Avinash Abel House and the runners are A. Harish Danagan, R. Nandakumar, P. Ritesh Rajan, P. Sri Balaji Gant, R. Dilipan, J. Akash, B. Bhaskar, J. Jayasurya, M. Shakti Balakishore.
Thank you, Prabhakaran sir. I request correspondent sir to honor the winners. The sensational event of the day is relay. In junior girls, the winners are Bhagyavati, Kavya Subha, Sri Burvika and Sri Akshaya. In senior girls, the winners are A. Anusha, N. Charanika, K. Reshma and R. Jnana Sharina. In super senior girls, the winners are L. Ranisha, M. Sugirta, V. Selvatilaga and R. Divya. In junior boys, the winners are Shiva Kailas, Varshik, Santosh Subramanian and Akash. In senior boys, the winners are R. Anbu, B. Tivin, G. Manoj Nainar and K. Kavin. Yes, Sanjay is wanted to the ground.
Wanted to the ground. Awesome English. Wanted to the ground. Wow.
In Super Senior Boys, the winners are M. Shivapatra Pavis, S. Sanjay, M. Nishit Vishnu and M. Varun.
Dear 12th standard students, please come near the stage for group photo. 12th girls and 12th boys.
Attention! On the spot, it is good to have an end to the journey, but it is the journey that matters is the end. Good to begin well and better to end well. It's time to lower the flag. Our SPL and ASPL are waiting to take the flag from Master Sudarshan and Master Abhyut Raja. Are waiting to take the flag from Master Sudarshan and Master Abhyut Raja. The school flag and the national flag are
Vote of thanks, ma.
Have into most and more. Indeed, the journey towards post day hasn't been easy. It required immense effort, commitment, and unwavering support of our teachers. Special mention on our physical education trainers, Mr. Yogeshwaran and Mr. Vivek sir. We express our gratitude to all the individuals who have played a significant role in making this event a grand success. A thrilling and enjoyable day has just passed. Everyone present, I'm sure, took full advantage of the event. Our special thanks to our guests for their presence and being a motivating factor by taking the time out of your busy schedules. Respectable parents, we greatly appreciate your support and presence. Our respectable thanks to Correspondent Sir and Eva Ma'am for an opportunity to explore our talents. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Our real again thanks to our dignitaries on stage, as their presence by itself is a great motivation for us to work on our plans. Our sincere thanks to teacher for being our guide and motivator at every step to make it the most memorable one. Our prayerful thanks to office staffs and sub-staffs for arranging logistics all through the day. Once again, thank you all the parents for your presence, as your presence gives a great source of inspiration. Of course, we owe so much to photographers and video specialists who makes our memories the permanent one by capturing the precious moment. Our tons of thanks for arranging a good sound and light arrangement team from Tippanambatti. எல்லாம் வல்ல பரம்பொருளின் கருணையினால் மட்டுமே இந்த நாள் இனிய நாளாக மாறியது. அவரது எல்லையற்ற கருணைக்காக கோடான கோடி நன்றிகள்.
National Anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय गे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्चल जलति तरंगा गब शुभ नामे जागे दब शुभ आशीष मागे गागे दब जय गाता जनहन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विदाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।